Hey folks, Adam here, and I just installed a dash cam into my rear view mirror that gives me front and rear facing camera. We're gonna check it out and kick it off. First, we're gonna show you the installation. So let's kick it off right about now. All right folks, I wanna go ahead and show you how easy installation is on this. Okay, so all we're gonna have to do is you set it on your previous rear view mirror. Then you're going to take this strap. It's a rubberized strap, so it's kind of like putting a rubber band on. I'm gonna put one on each side here, and it's just that easy. Now, we've gone ahead and added the USB-C to power it, and there's a little camera on the side. It's just that easy. Now we're gonna go ahead and power it up. I've closed up the garage, so automatically, it has formatted the card, and you can even see, we'll go ahead and format the card there, it's formatting, and you can see that it only takes a few minutes to get this thing going. So really just plug in the USB, format the card, and it's already recording, and you can see that it looks really good in low light situations. So really impressive so far. Adding that rear facing camera is going to be really easy too. You just have a platform here, a couple of screws into the bumper, and you've got plenty of cabling to run that all the way up to the camera in the front, so you can aim that right out the back of your vehicle. So what do I like most about this? First and foremost, it looks like OEM equipment. That makes me very happy. Of course, that 4K is beautiful, beautiful lens here, extra widescreen, and we got that 1080 in the back, giving us the extreme ability to see everything in front of us and everything behind us, recording it non-stop even when we're parked to get rid of those bad guys and make sure nobody is scoping out our vehicle. I love the fact that it isn't a tiny little screen. Some of my other cams have a tiny little screen. This is beautiful, and it gives me that full backup camera right here. That's pretty cool. All right, folks, so this thing is absolutely fantastic. 1.5 times the size of your standard rear view mirror, extra wide screen, high detail to where you can even read license plates in front of you. And you know what? This just makes you more secure overall. I had a situation, somebody ran into my parked car in the CVS parking lot. Then they threatened to sue me for whiplash, claiming I was backing out. The police knew better, but I wish I had a dash cam. That way I didn't have to worry about lawyers suing me and trying to get a settlement over the fact that my car was parked. That's where that parking camera comes in very handy. Plus, it's a deterrent from people doing the wrong thing. Now this has GPS, it has everything you need, and it has that rear view camera to where this still functions as a fantastic rear view mirror. So not only is that 24-hour parking monitor very important, imagine your kid leaves the car at school, somebody vandalizes it, but you got their face on tape. This is gonna help you. Imagine your kid is driving around and they're peeling out and racing people in your sedan. You're gonna have the video of them doing that, and you can give them feedback about their driving. I've noticed that this even makes me a more conscious driver. I know it's recording me. I know it's got me on tape, so I know I'm not gonna make that unnecessary turn in traffic that I don't need to do. This is keeping me honest, because if it does record an incident, if the shock goes off, I want to make sure that I'm not the one at fault on camera. And yeah, this has a G-Shock sensor to where if someone hits the brakes hard, anything like that happens, make sure to record it for you. Now this is 24/7 recording, but it makes sure to set that aside, and that's just smart. This is really giving us a tremendous 4K screen. If you aren't familiar with what 4K is, that is the best, okay? 4K means that you're getting perfect visual, perfect view of everything going on in the greatest resolution possible. Other dash cams are only doing 1080p out the front, and that isn't going to give you the same level of resolution. In fact, some of my dash cams, I've tested a lot of them, are only at 720. This is 4K. This is exponentially better resolution. So I'm not going to be able to cover all of the details about this fantastic screen, okay? It's recording, it's doing a great job, it's keeping us safe, it's recording when we're parked, it's got GPS to where it can track exactly where we are. I'm not going to give you every detail about this, but hopefully we put a lot on screen. You've seen some very good examples of what this thing can do. It's a great parking monitor. It has tremendous night vision, and it's going to make your life a whole lot safer. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land, and guess what? This thing is truly fantastic. I'm going to ask you to go ahead and pick it up. And what are you waiting for? Get the shopping. If you need even more information, stick around for the up-close portion of the video, which is kind of the unbox. You get to see everything, but just for reference, all of the wiring and things that you need to get this working 24/7, 365 are included. It's just that easy. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video. Oh yeah. All right, folks. Now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. It's got that 4K, 170 degree front camera, the 1080p in the rear at 140, a super bright night vision, GPS, 12-inch, let me say that again, 12-inch touchscreen, the G sensor to know when there's shock, so it knows to record and save that video, and the parking monitor. It says always on, so yeah, this is perfect. So you're even notified when the bad guys are at your car while you sleep. You're gonna know, you're gonna be recording anyway, what's going on. That's gonna help deter any potential issues you might have. Now, the brand is second to none. Let me go ahead and back up so you can see it a little bit better. Well packed, and look at that 12-inch screen. Better than the competition. This is gonna act pretty much as a rear view mirror, if you will, with that backup. That is incredible. It says read the FAQs, format the TF card, use the original accessories in the package, and yeah, pretty nice, right? So easy, straightforward, stylish, sophisticated, and it's pretty chic. And yeah, you're gonna be able to put this to where it's always running, so it's gonna be right into the battery of your vehicle. And it comes with all the cabling and wiring you need. And yeah, I love the fact that it's got that really high quality front camera and the optional back camera. And I'm very excited about this. So if you're looking for something that is impressive, you got the GPS there that plugs right in to know your exact location. And the style and sophistication, you can plug it right into your outlet right there, the DC outlet, or everything you need right here for its setup and installation, including that rear camera. Like I said, I guess it's not optional rear camera because it does come with the rear camera. So it's a mirror dash camera, okay? What a great style, what great sophistication. Has the options to flip the mirror, upside down the rear image. You have the SD card for storing your information. That G-Shock sensor for collision impact detection. You can adjust the volume, select the flicker frequency, the GPS information for latitude and longitude, the clock settings, the time, daylight savings, everything is built in, the speed. You can test that and check it, and it's pretty accurate. Ooh, how nice is that, huh? Peel that right off for you. So folks, if you're looking for a fantastic mirror display, this one can't be beat. Go check it out. You will not be disappointed. The brand, of course, Premier and Elite, and you're gonna love it. All right, folks, you know I love and appreciate you, so what are you waiting for? Get to shopping.